Unfortunately, where we had a stoppage, the vehicle on stand fell down on the right side. Nothing, no harm done, only the windscreen is broken. Good morning. This is the 7th day of our ride and we are about to start for Yanam and Dindi. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Had a breakfast and ready to go. यहीं से गए थे ना कल यानम। ये वही रोड है जो कल हमने लिया था कोरिंगा वाइल्ड सेंचुरी के लिए। We will be traveling for an hour or so to reach Yanam. Yanam is an interesting place. It's part of Pondicherry, so it doesn't come in Andhra Pradesh. So there is a small area which you must have been part of French colony, which got transferred to Puducherry. So that's pretty interesting. So we will be also visiting Puducherry, not the actual one which is south to Chennai, but this is the one which is near to Kakinada, and that's also the place where Godavari meets the sea. So there is an estuary where Godavari actually meets Bay of Bengal. So we'll try to have a look at that as well. So these were a couple of things which I wanted to cover in this route while going to Dindi. Dindi is part of the Konasima or East Godavari region, one of the most picturesque places of Andhra Pradesh. So different basically, all green, irrigated by the Godavari river. So let's see how it goes. And it also has backwaters. Dindi, where we will be staying, there are similar to what you have in Kerala, not as elaborate, but it is there. So we will figure out today and tomorrow. So we will be staying there for today and tomorrow, and day after we will be going back to Vizag. Fish market. This is like fruits and vegetables, right? Different varieties of. So towards the right, estuary of Godavari is visible to us. It's very near. You can see that. So ये जो river है, it's very near to the Bay of Bengal. और river का भी जो आधा portion है, towards the right is in Andhra, and where we are riding on the left side of the river, that comes in Pondicherry. Let me stop somewhere. See how huge it is. Beautiful. So it's all worth it. So much pain. Yeah. Unfortunately, where we had a stoppage, the vehicle on stand fell down on the right side. Nothing, no harm done, only the windscreen is broken. We will be stopping somewhere. We take out the tools and take the windscreen out. So there is an Eiffel Tower made by someone here at Yanam. So the person was so impressed by that he made an Eiffel Tower. It's a small replica of it. So let's go and watch. Eiffel Tower can be seen from here, far distance. I think we are about 3 kilometers away from it. So this is the tower. So you can go up, and there is a eatery also upstairs, but with all this luggage and our riding gears will not be able to go. So he just came to admire it. Pretty good. People out of passion, whatever they want, they will do it. We had a small stopover to refuel and remove the windscreen which was broken, and now we are on our way to Dindi. That is about 2.5 hours from here. So we'll reach there by close to 2 o'clock.